Rebuilding civic trust starts with great civic learning. We can't protect what we don't understand. And civic education is a proven investment in rebuilding civic trust at scale, one community at a time. Pre-K through 12 education reaches 1 in 3 Americans, so the collective impact is massive. Best practice civic learning starts with policy change as the first step. State policies increase demand for quality civic learning resources, as well as much needed professional learning for educators. We validate the impact on civic knowledge and civic behaviors. Each state then builds on that progress and serves as a replicable example for other states.
In just 6 years, CivxNow grew from an idea to an influential and cross-partisan movement of 346 national members and leaders from 41 states. We have already passed 38 bipartisan policies in 24 states, red, blue, and purple. This is already happening and working in states as diverse as Massachusetts, Indiana, and Illinois. We aim to reach all 50 states in 5 years, and we need your help to meet this moment.